If your garden bakes in the sun and the soil stays dry, you don't have to give up on flowers. Some plants are built for the heat. In this video, we'll look at drought-tolerant flowers that thrive in dry soil and full sun. Blanket flower. This vibrant daisy-like bloom features red and yellow petals and thrives in hot, dry conditions. It blooms from summer into fall, asks very little from the soil, and hardly needs water once established. Coneflower. Coneflowers are bold and bee-friendly, with deep roots that tap into underground moisture. They return each year, bloom for months, and hold up well in heat and poor soil. Russian sage. With silvery leaves and soft lavender blue flowers, Russian sage adds height and texture to dry gardens. It handles intense sun and thrives with little water, making it a great choice for low-maintenance borders. Coreopsis. Known for its bright yellow or orange flowers, Coreopsis loves full sun and lean soil. It blooms for weeks and works well in wildflower mixes or as a colourful filler in dry spots. Sedum. As a succulent, sedum stores water in its leaves and shrugs off drought. It's ideal for rock gardens, edging or containers, and comes in both ground cover and upright forms. Lavender. Lavender combines fragrance, beauty and resilience. It thrives in dry, well-drained soil and full sun, and its purple flowers attract pollinators all season long. Yarrow. Yarrow produces flat clusters of flowers in various colours and spreads steadily in dry conditions. Its fern-like leaves and toughness make it a great pick for naturalistic gardens. California poppy. These cheerful orange flowers love poor sandy soil and full sun. Easy to grow, they often reseed themselves and bring bursts of colour with minimal effort. Verbena. Verbena spreads low and wide, covering the ground with clusters of flowers that keep blooming through summer heat. It needs very little water once it's going. Black-eyed Susan. A classic garden flower with golden petals and a dark centre, Black-eyed Susan is drought-tolerant, easy to grow and great for pollinators. It returns each year and fills sunny spaces with lasting colour. To get the best results, plant these flowers in full sun. Add mulch to keep the soil cool, and water deeply but not too often. Once they're established, most will take care of themselves. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe if you enjoy practical gardening tips, and share your favourite drought-tolerant flower in the comments.